Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to ISES School System Pindike. This is our 10th lecture of English and it is for class prep. First of all, open your book page number 19. On page number 19, here is a topic plurals. So today we are going to learn about plural nouns and how we add s and es with nouns. So before starting this lecture, let's take a short review of our previous lecture that was about things I wear. In lecture number 9, we have discussed about clothes that are worn by girls and boys. We also read these and those, and practice is your home task. Now, read this, ask questions, give answers. First, we will read this topic. Flowers. These are flowers. 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 Look at the flowers. Here are two flowers, so we add an S. If there is only one flower, then we will write it as flower, flower. And now here are two, so we will add an S. Flowers. These are ducks. 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 Look at the ducks. Now desk. Desks. Desks. Here are three desks. Now frogs. Frogs. These are frogs. Boxes. 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 Next, blouses. 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 Next is watches. 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 And last is buses. 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 Students, here we add only s and in second line we add es. x, ch और एस ई जहाँ पे यूज़ होगा वहाँ पे हमने ई एस यूज़ करना है. नाउ रीड अगेन. फ्लावर्स, डक्स, डेस्क्स, फ्रॉग्स, बॉक्सेस, ब्लाउजेस, watches, buses. Okay, now look at here. Here we add only s and here we will add es. Look at first this bats. Bats. Here are three bats, so we will add an s. Bats. Here are three carpets or mats, so mats, so we will add an s. mats. Mats. Here are two cups, so we will add an s. cups. Cups. Now look at this. How can we use es? Here is ch, s and double s, so we will add here es. Torches. 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 These are buses. 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 And these are glasses. 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 Students, now we have done reading of this topic. Now read this. Ask questions, give answers. We have to write question answer of this topic, like what are these. We can ask question like what are these, and if suppose these are flowers, so we can say these are flowers. We can write our ask answer like are these flowers, so our answer will be yes, these are flowers. We can also ask question like are these ducks, so what will be our answer? No, these are not ducks. Now look at here. You can write question answer like this. First you have to mention date and day, then topic, plurals, s or es. Answer these questions. Our first question is what are these? Look at here. What are these? Yes, these are flowers. So we can write our answer. These are flowers. What are these? These are flowers. These. These Areflowers. Flowers. These are flowers. Second question is, are these mats? Look at here. Are these mats? No, these are not mats. So we can say no, these are not mats. These are bats. So we will write our answer. No, these are not mats because question is about mats. So we will use here no. Are these mats? No, these are not mats. Question number 3. What are these? Look at here. What are these? Yes, these are cups. These. These Arecups. Cups. These are cups. Last and fourth question is, are these watches? Look at here. Are these watches? Yes. So we will write our answer as yes. Yes. These are watches. Yes. These Arewatches. Watches. Yes, these are watches. Now read again. What are these? These are flowers. Are these mats? No, these are not mats. What are these? These are cups. Are these watches? Yes, these are watches. So students, this was our 10th lecture of English. Today we have learned about plurals. So, and we have done question answer of this topic. So this is your home task on register plus learning. You have to write these question answer on your notebook as it is, and you have to learn these questions. Okay, take care.